Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Psychology Department, I once again welcome you all to the lecture series on drug abuse, problem management, and prevention. Today, we will learn about what are stimulants, various types of stimulants, and its effects. Let's start with the introduction. Stimulants are psychoactive substances that increase the activity of CNS, relieve tension, and treat mild depression. These are the agents that activate and stimulate central nervous system and increase the neural activity in the brain. Sometimes it is also called as uppers. These are frequently abused due to their performance enhancing and their euphoria effect. Stimulants tend to make people feel more alert, active, awake, or confident. It can also produce a feeling of happiness or euphoria. Euphoria is a state of well being. Stimulant increases heart rate, body temperature, blood pressure, and it also reduces a person's appetite. It speeds up the physical and mental processes. However, each stimulant has its unique effects. It differs from batch to batch. According to National Institute on Drug Abuse, and the pleasant effect of the stimulant are due to the increase in this neurotransmitter as it produces a pleasurable sensation. Let's examine some of the common types of stimulants such as cocaine, nicotine, amphetamine. Amphetamine. Amphetamines are the class of stimulant that affects chemicals in the brain and nerves. These are the stimulants that speed up the messages traveling between brain and body. These are also used to treat medical disorders or it has a clinical use. So these are prescribed by the doctors to treat conditions such as ADHD, obesity, and sleep problems. It can be swallowed, inhaled, smoked, or injected. Short-term effects. The short-term effects of the amphetamine are body temperature, heart rate, nausea, headache will be there, decreased fatigue, drowsiness, increased respiration, heightened alertness, there will be sense of well-being, decreased appetite, or dry mouth. Long-term effects. Prolonged use of this drug will cause long-term effects if used in high doses, such as physiological or behavioral disorder, psychosis, malnutrition or weight loss, mental illness, skin disorders, pale or flushed skin, vitamin deficiency will be there, tiredness and weakness, convulsions, coma, death, ulcers, loss of coordination, or physical collapse. Withdrawal symptoms. If person is using the drug on regular basis and suddenly stop using that drug, then they will experience withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety, nightmare, strong craving for drug, irritability. Person can become violent, severe depression, and it could result in suicide. Increased sleep duration. Next come nicotine. Nicotine is the active ingredient in the tobacco. We all know that nicotine is found in tobacco. It is a highly addictive drug. It stimulates the adrenal gland. When body is exposed to the drug called nicotine, individual experiences a kick which is caused by the adrenal gland. Tobacco, which contains nicotine, is smoked in cigarette. It is also smoked in cigars and pipes. It increases the sensation of wakefulness or arousal. It increases the alertness level of the user. Nicotine also causes the release of the neurotransmitter called dopamine, which produces pleasurable sensations to the user. WHO estimates that 1 billion people worldwide smoke and more than 3 million die each year from smoking related causes. It also stimulates the release of neurotransmitters, and neurotransmitters affect the brain in such a way that certain brain cells they change the way they work. So it also generates a rush of autonomic nervous system activities such as heart rate, blood pressure, or release of sugar into the blood. It is available in many forms, including cigarettes, cigar, chewing tobacco, or electronic cigarettes. Short-term effects. Short-term effects of nicotine are high blood pressure, there will be increased heart rate, pulse rate. It causes bad breath, diarrhea, stained teeth when smoke or chew, blood thickness will be there, smoker's cough. Long-term effects. Prolonged use of nicotine stimulant will create long-term effects such as addiction, dependence. It leads to cancer. There is increased risk of heart diseases, premature aging, inhibit the release of insulin. Withdrawal symptoms. Nicotine is highly addictive drug, and when individual is using nicotine, they develop a physical dependency and it can be severe. So it causes withdrawal symptoms such as irritability, anxiety, restlessness, difficulty concentration, insomnia, headache. Cocaine. Cocaine is highly addictive illegal drug. When used in small amount, it causes intense feeling of pleasure which could last from 5 to 30 minutes. It makes the person more talkative and it increases the alertness and confidence level of the user. It is available in the form of crystalline powder or white powder. It is bitter in taste. It is potent nervous system stimulant and creates a feeling of excitement. So, cocaine has a pronounced excitation action on the central nervous system. If used in a small amount, it creates a feeling of pleasure and euphoria. Short-term effects. Short-term effects of the cocaine are loss of appetite or decreased appetite, increased heart rate, disturbing sleeping pattern. Person can become violent, depression, anxiety, and person can also become paranoid or develop hallucinations, nausea, intense drug craving, contracted blood vessels. Long term effects. The long term effects of the cocaine are high blood pressure, malnutrition, weight loss, kidney damage, permanent damage to the blood vessels, heart attack, stroke, death, severe depression, risky behavior will be there, respiratory failure if smoked, psychosis, withdrawal symptoms. So, withdrawal symptoms of the cocaine are anxiety, depression, pain, exhaustion, shakiness, inability to feel pressure, body ache, intense craving. This was all about various types of stimulants. In the next video, we will discuss about what are depressants and various types. Till then, take care. Thank you.